Hi, Eagles. It's me again, Mrs. Abel here on behalf of your third grade teachers, Mr. Phelps, Miss Wadley, and myself. Well, it's that time again. As we're rounding out our year, it is time for you to show us what you know. So this week we have you taking your STAR reading test. Now, just in case, I wanted to show you one more time of how to access that for the ease of maybe your grown-ups at home, so that way if something were to happen, they can help you as well. Now, just like with the math, I am going to please encourage the grown-ups at home not to help them. This is a reading test, so your child does need to try their very hardest today to read all the words and answer all the questions. Now, once again, this is timed, so if they are having trouble, they can let it time out. However, on the reading one, they should be able to answer the question. All right, so in order to get to the STAR test, you're going to go to your Hello ID. And again, thank you, Trey, for letting me use yours to kind of show people how to get there. And you're going to go to the STAR AR. Now, if you're on a Chromebook or using Google, it should automatically sign you in. So if it doesn't, you'll get to a screen that says this. From there, you're going to log in or it will redirect you straight to this. Now, the AR tests are that we've been having them take are right here. So if they need to take a quiz on any books that they've been reading, this is a great chance. And then from here, you're going to go to see where it says STAR 360. You're going to take a reading test. Please do not let them click on the Spanish one. It will be way too hard. So once you click take a reading test, it will redirect you to the next page, which like I said before, at school, you have to have a password, but here you do not. It will let you start automatically right here. Now, like I said, it is timed, so it is best that you just sit in a quiet place and get ready and concentrate. If for any reason you need to take a break, you are going to have to pause it because otherwise the timer keeps going. So if you need to pause it, so most of you know by now, but the password is admin, all capitals, with just the number 1 right behind it. But again, if you need to contact your teacher, they'll be able to help you with that also. Boys and girls, I encourage you to do your very best. This is going to help us know kind of where you're reading right now for next year. I miss all of you so much, but I hope that when you take your reading test, you'll be somewhere quiet. And please, grown-ups at home, try your very best not to help them. This isn't adaptive, so as maybe you might notice, sometimes they get kind of hard and then sometimes they have a little bit easier questions. And please, children, remember, you don't need a dictionary. When it says look at the dictionary, it actually has it right there. It'll have this, the word and the definition and the part of speech. So you won't need a dictionary, even though it says to use the dictionary entry, but it'll be right there on the screen. Boys and girls, try your very best. Show us what you know. We're so proud of how hard you've been working, how responsible you've been, and here's your chance to let us know. Good luck, Eagles, and hopefully I will see you all soon.